Whether you're browsing the web, finishing up a coding project, or editing your latest video, then you know having a comfortable adjustable chair is more of a necessity rather than a luxury. This is the Marrap M6, and while this is a sponsored video, all thoughts are my own. I have spent the last 2 weeks on this thing, mainly for editing videos, surfing the web, researching next topics, as well as doing just a tad bit of coding and a little bit of gaming as well. So this thing overall is a pretty comfortable mesh chair. However, there are a couple things that I could see as improvements. There's everything that comes inside the box, and the nice thing is not only are there instructions with a booklet, but you can also scan a QR code for a video installation. Instead of these, I'm going to install the wheels that I have that are much smoother. The first area improvement would be the wheels. I actually pulled these from my last chair, and my last chair didn't even come with it. I actually ordered them separately, but luckily it's a pretty standard size. I'll leave links below in case you guys are interested, but these things are super smooth. In fact, I've had the wheels for probably about a year right now, and they're just very, very good overall. And it doesn't damage my vinyl flooring, and it's just super smooth. So I actually really like these wheels. And I should mention that I personally haven't seen any office chair come with these nice wheels. They just come with the standard plastic ones, which kind of get stuck after a while, and I prefer more of these rollerblade style wheels essentially. The secondary improvement would be the armrest, only if I'm pulling the chair to sit on it. So if I'm pulling the chair to sit on it, it moves. I would need to adjust it back. So, and when I'm typing, this is the most important part. When I'm on the computer or whatever, I'm moving the mouse. If I'm doing this, these things don't move. So they're super, super comfortable. In fact, they're also very adjustable as well. But if I'm moving the chair, that's going to move. I mean, I could do it in a way where it won't move. I could just do it gently like this. But I'm usually like, okay, all right, that's kind of how I normally sit. But I've learned to basically just pull from what I call the coat hanger portion of it, because you can hang coats or whatever from this. I just pull it from here now, and then I just sit, and then good to go. So there is a solution to that. So if this was a little more firm, I mean, it's firm when I'm using it, which is fantastic. But if it was even a little more firm than that, where I can actually pull it without this moving, it would be even better. Or just move just very, very little if I was pulling it. Now, what makes this chair comfortable is it's very adjustable. For instance, you can actually move the seat up and then bring it back. It has a footrest, so if you want to pull this out and rest your feet, you can do that. These armrests are super adjustable. You can bring it up, you can bring it down, you can move it left and right. So it's very, very adjustable. You can even put it away, essentially. So it's very, very, very adjustable in terms of the armrest. And while you're using it, it does stay in place. But again, if I were to pull it, it would actually move. And then these lumbar supports kind of conform to your back because they're on springs. I mean, this is not a $2,000 chair or something like that. where they could have kind of hid this part, but it's totally fine. It kind of matches with kind of the metal pieces and everything. And then obviously the chair is adjustable, so you could bring it up and down. You could lock it or unlock it. The back part is also adjustable, so you can bring it all the way up. In fact, in the all the way up position is when it actually goes down. But you can actually, there's a few levels where it won't go down until you want to reset it. You bring it all the way up and then you can basically bring it down. This headrest part is adjustable as well, so you could basically push it down, bring it up, push it down, bring it up. You can also move this, move it entirely out of the way and adjust it. So really you have a lot of adjustability depending on how you want to place this thing. So it's pretty adjustable. It's very adjustable, in fact. And then obviously you get this coat hanger style thing where you could hang coats, but again, I just like to use it just to move the chair around, and it's really good for that. Now with the back, you have a few options, so you can lock it into place like this. You can also unlock it, go back a little bit more, and then lock it kind of at this angle if you want to sit at this angle, or you can unlock it and go back even more and then lock it here. And this is kind of the angle where the footrest is pretty comfortable, so I could pull this out and just go like this and just kind of relax like this, and then adjust these how I want to, and then I'm good to go. So if I want to relax, this is how I would do it. I don't use this feature often. I usually just use it mostly in the normal mode, but this is pretty comfortable overall. To summarize, it's a very good chair overall. It's very comfortable, it's very adjustable, and it's very breathable thanks to the mesh material. So if you guys enjoyed this video, smash the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.